Hi, my name is Lily. I want to review the Grownsy electric nasal aspirator. I hated to see my baby struggle with stuffy and runny noses, and even toddlers don't really know how to effectively blow their nose. So this aspirator has really helped me with that. There are 3 levels of suction power that just get the job done, and I can turn on a song or different lights to distract my child. I also really love how the purchase comes with a storage case. It's so convenient keeping everything all together in one place. It comes with 3 different tips that are composed of silicone, which makes it very gentle on the nose. The battery lasts a long time. A single charge lasts 120 minutes. For us, that ends up to be about 1 or 2 charges a year. It's also recommended to wash after each use. The suction chamber is not waterproof, so I do have to separate a few parts and rinse them thoroughly with water and allow to dry. So yeah, we've been using this for several years now, and I honestly can't imagine getting through those sick days without it.